Michael, a Mercedes guy here, and I've been remodeling my shop. It probably looks a little different. One of the things I had to do was tap into a drain so I could put in a double sink, and what I had available was this cleanout plug under the kitchen sink, and this sucker was so tight. So what will help is to take a propane butane torch, be real careful of fire here, and heat this thing up as hot as you can get it. Then let it completely cool. Heating it expands, and then cooling will make it a tiny bit smaller. But it was still so tight, and no way could I get a wrench in there, so I needed a square socket. Of course, I didn't have one. So what you do, use a couple of pieces of angle iron and weld them together, and donate an old socket. Then you've got a square socket, and I was able to get that sucker out of there.